We are getting ready for fall in my house, which means I need to take down all of the non-fall things, including all of my summer decor. Let's clean up this room, get it all nice and decorated for Halloween and for fall. I have so much to do. This has become kind of my like catch-all space. In fact, I have a whole bunch of stuff back there on the floor, pretty much everywhere. So I'm gonna be cleaning this space up, taking all of the decorations down from summer. You got 4th of July over there. I'm going to redo it all. So let me show you how I'm gonna decorate for fall and Halloween. So the first step is taking everything down that I had up. This was such a mess. And this ended up taking me several days to fully complete and get everything done, everything put away. There's still a whole bunch of bins in my hallway that I still need to put away, but it's taking me a little bit longer. These past several months, I have just been in a slump. My mental health has not been super great, so this is one thing that makes me really, really happy. It's just taking me a little bit longer to get it done, so I'm trying to pace myself, trying to not push myself too much, give myself some grace, and get the things done that I really like. So I feel like decorating is very therapeutic for me. Being able to see everything come together, and fall and Halloween is my absolute favorite time of the year. I don't know about you, but not even Christmas gets me as excited as Halloween and fall does. I don't know what it is. The colors, the comfy, just thinking about sitting in a home with a fire going, maybe having some thunderstorms outside, a little bit of cloudiness with a movie on, and just being comfy and cozy on a couch is my happy place. So I love the cool weather. Like I said, the colors, just everything about fall makes me super, super happy. So I'm just going to let you enjoy my decorate with me, the cleaning to the finished piece, the finished room with it all together. Of course, I grabbed my husband for some help because at some points this gets super overwhelming, especially with how much stuff I have from DIYing and crafting, and I don't ever know what to do with everything. I end up with so much stuff. There are so many DIYs that I do every single week, and it just ends up becoming a lot. So I have a ton of stuff, and I need to figure out what to get rid of, what to keep. I had a little box that I filled, well, actually it was pretty big, not a little box, but I filled it completely full of donation items. Yeah, there's just a lot. So my husband came and helped and walked me through each piece because sometimes it can just get super overwhelming. I love setting up this table for Halloween, especially with the little apothecary potion bottles and potion books and spell books. I love the top portion of this, and so many of these pieces that I'm showing are DIYs that I've done in the past. So if you're curious about them, you can go look through my past fall and Halloween DIYs, because the majority of these pieces are things that I've made. All these potion bottles and those spell books are DIYs that I've done in the past, and then this fun potion bottle stand is actually our August craft club. That's only available in August, so if you want to snag it, make sure you sign up for our craft club before September 1st. I will have that linked down below. And then the really cute house that I put up, that is also part of our August craft club. Okay, we're on day 2 and we're making progress. Although there's stuff pretty much everywhere at this point. And after I just got my Halloween setup done, I just remembered I bought this really cute Disney setup, you know, Halloween haunted house thing from Costco, and now I don't know where to put it. Do I put it with the Halloween stuff? Do I mix some Halloween over here with some fall stuff? I don't know. So we're gonna figure this out. May take me a little longer than expected. So I had set up a whole bunch of stuff, and then, like I said, completely forgot about my Disney haunted village, and I wanted to display it. So we have some shelves in our living room that aren't quite finished yet, and it will also have a mantle. So I plan on moving these over there once those shelves and our mantle is finished. I don't know when that's going to be, so for now it's just going to stay down here. But I thought that this was super cute, and I think that I paid like, I want to say it was about $100 for the whole set from Costco. And I love it. I think it's super, super cute, and it's going to look really adorable on those shelves once those shelves are done. And then for my entryway table, I love decorating this every single season, holiday. This is kind of like my main showpiece. So I am just going to take a whole bunch of things that I've got, fall decor, and put it on here. I get so many questions about this barn. I picked this up from Hobby Lobby last year, but I want to say that I did see it out again this year. And then this cute trio of pumpkins, those are actually a craft kit that you can purchase on my website, moorevinyldecals.com, and then you can paint it, put it together, and decorate it the way you'd like. And I loved these flowers that I found. I think I got these at Joann's. They're like wilted and almost crunchy looking flowers, and I thought those were perfect for fall time. And then I have this other shelf unit that I moved to the other side of my wall, and I'm just gonna start throwing some more fall decor on there. The florals that are in that picture are from Hobby Lobby, and then the majority of everything is just DIYs. So on the top is a DIY that I did on my channel. That piece with the milk can is a craft kit from my website, and then a whole bunch of other DIYs. I have so many. I have so many DIYs. I don't know what to do with them all, and I want to display them all because I like them so much, but I'm so limited on space. So I just put up my favorite pieces. I also found these really cute gnomes from Joann's. They are adorable. Set out some other of my fall signs that I've made in the past from Couture. You can actually snag that transfer on Couture's website right now in a bundle. I'll have that linked down below if you want it, but this is how everything turned out. You guys, this makes me so happy. Like I said, the past several months, almost this whole year, my mental health has really been struggling, and this just brings me so much happiness. I can't tell you how much I love this. The colors, everything just about it makes me so happy. So I'm really excited for fall. I want to add more fall decorations throughout my house, not just in the front portion of my house. So I need to do that next. And then I also need to clean up the hallway that now has all my containers and buckets and everything and all my stuff in it. It's been kind of my catch-all. I also have a ton of stuff on sale on my website. If you go to moorevinyldecals.com, click on the sale tab. I've got tumblers, decor, paper. I'm also going to be adding a couple select kits to the sale section. We ended up pulling out of our booth that we had in a store. It just was not doing well. And so I have a bunch of inventory from that I need to get out of my home. So I will put all of that up on the sale tab. Like I said, there are multiple kits on there that will also be on sale and all sorts of other stuff. So check that out. Again, moorevinyldecals.com, and you can find so many goodies. And that's it, you guys. This is how everything turned out. I'm absolutely loving it. Again, I can't say that enough. I love fall time. I hope that this gave you a good inspiration on how to decorate and set up your space. I get a lot of people saying that they make decor, but they're not sure how to set it all up. So I hope that this can give you some inspiration on how to set your home up, set your decor up, put it the way that you like it. If you like more decor, add more. If you like less, add less. And that's it. I hope that you guys enjoy this kind of video. Don't forget to subscribe before you guys leave. Give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!